The Air Jordan 6 UNC will be a problem. The UNC or University Blue Air Jordan 6 releases on March 5th. Retail is $210. This sneaker is gonna sell out. This sneaker is gonna have hype. This sneaker is most likely going to drop in resale. You have to consider this is an Air Jordan 6, and when the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s are not reselling like crazy, they haven't went up, they weren't great holds, you can't expect too much for the UNC 6. However, I think they're still gonna go up in price after they drop in price. So if you have pairs now, I recommend selling them before the release date. Go get your $300 to $350 and then buy back in. I definitely think they'll drop down to probably around like $250, $260, maybe $280 in the bigger sizes. I definitely think they'll drop below $300. Over time, I think they'll go back up to around $350. Air Jordan 6s are not great holds majority of the time. However, this is still a very nice Air Jordan 6, and it is the UNC colorway, which is why I think they will drop in resale and then they'll go up a little bit, but I still don't really think they're worth holding. I think you should quick flip them, move on to the next release. But if you want to hold on to them, it's not a bad move at the end of the day. I just think there's better other shoes you can invest into. However, this is still the Air Jordan 6 UNC, and these are going to be a problem. We have a free patent leather bred Air Jordan 1 giveaway going on. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the patent leather bred Air Jordan 1. This giveaway ends in about a week, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of patent leather bred Air Jordan 1s. I've teamed up with some other sneaker YouTubers to give away this pair of UNC 6s. So here is the giveaway winner. Shout out to you, brother, for winning this pair of UNC 6s. I'm going to be shipping them right after this video. If you guys love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this video up to an easy 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes, and I'm going to give away a pair of Panda Dunks next. And I'm feeling generous, so I'm going to probably toss in another pair of Jordan 1s as well. We'll do a double giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe. The Air Jordan 6 UNC is going to be a problem. Let's open these up, unbox the sneaker. Let's take a look at these Air Jordan 6 UNCs that are going to be a problem on release date. Click my link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. They have the best bags, the best travel bags for sneakerheads. They hold your sneakers. Using my link down below and the code Danny Moore, my name Danny Moore, you're gonna receive 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. This right here is Sole Premise's duffel bag. I love this bag because it holds so many sneakers. Right now, guys, I have 6 pairs of sneakers inside of this bag, and I could fit more. The bag is full right now. Inside the bag, I have 4 pairs of sneakers right here. On the side, I have a pair of shoes. On this side as well, I have my Panda Dunks right there. All of Sole Premise bags are very affordable. They're high quality and made to hold your sneakers. I recommend checking out the duffel bag. I love the duffel. It's so good. Perfect gym bag. Perfect everyday carry bag. They have tons of colors, tons of different bags. You're gonna find a bag you're gonna fall in love with. And once again, they're gonna hold your sneakers. They'll also hold your laptop, your clothing, anything you guys need at all to take with you. Sole Premise is the way to go. Make sure you guys check my link down below in the description and use my discount code Danny Moore to receive 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. March 5th, retail $210. The Air Jordan 6. University Blue. If the Air Jordan 6 UNC is a must cop, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you think these are trash and an easy pass, put a trash emoji. I want to see who wants the cop and who doesn't. Air Jordan 6 box, we got the UNC Blue white Jumpman cement print going around the box. The Air Jordan 6 UNC is going to be a problem. Expect these to sell out very quick. Expect there to be hype for this Air Jordan 6. If you guys remember the Carmine release, the Carmine 6s were everywhere. These will not be as mass produced as the Carmines. I mentioned the Carmine 6 because this is the same color blocking just with this UNC Blue instead of the red, and we have Nike Air on the back of those. Here's the back of the UNC 6. I know some people are not going to like this. Let me know down below in the comments, how do you feel about the tag on the back of the UNC 6s? Do you wish it was a Nike Air? Do you wish it was a Jumpman? Leave a comment and let me know. Personally, I wish it was the Jumpman, but it's not awful. I think it looks better here on the 4s on the tongue than it does the back of the 6. We've gotten this tag on several sneakers before, like the 5s, the Michigan 5s, as well as the Oregon 5s. They put the tag on the 4s on the tongue. The best spot has to be by far here on the University Blue 3s. As you guys can see, it's on the insole. The best spot possible. On the back, I'm not really a fan of that. I wish it was on the insole. This might stop some people from actually wanting this sneaker for their personal sneaker collection. And I'm with you on it, man. I wish it was not on the back of these. I wish they put a nice University Blue Jumpman on the back and then put the tag on the insole like they did perfectly here on the 3s. Now that that's out the way, let's talk about the University Blue 6 and why I think these will be a problem. The colorway. That alone is going to make it a problem. This is the UNC Air Jordan 6. The University Blue nowadays, guys, is a problem. Here's some University Blue Air Jordans right here in my hand. We got the 4s, the 3s. Take a look at the 1s. Of course, can't forget about those 1s. That University Blue just pops, and it does well, and has a lot of hype, a lot of demand around it. They gave it to us very nice here on the UNC 6. Very, very nice. You do have some Obsidian hits as well, like on the Jumpman, as well as the Lace Lock. The tongue has a very nice, cool pattern, translucent pattern going on, and you see more of the pattern on the back of the tongue as well. I believe they took that from the Air Jordan 7, but there are some other Air Jordan 6s that have that as well, like I believe the Hair Air Jordan 6. That icy outsole, very, very dope. Make sure you guys put Drip Grip on the bottom of this. The link is down below. When we first saw images of these, the midsole looked navy. It is not navy, it is black. It matches the pull tab there on the back. It's black. This whole midsole is black. The only Obsidian hits are there on the tongue with the Lace Lock as well as the Jumpman. Going up the tongue, white laces. No extra laces with this release, even though retail has gone up. You do have black underneath there. It is not navy. Once again, the only navy hits are right there. Now, I know people are going to ask, how's the quality, especially after the Carmine release? Quality is not bad on this release at all. No complaints. The leather honestly is soft around certain parts of the sneaker. I would say more so the inner part right here. It's kind of soft. As you get towards the back, of course, it gets a little stiffer. You do have a little bit of wrinkles going on, a little bit of tumbleness going on. It's not tumbled leather, but it is appearing like it a little bit. You do have some wrinkling going on there in the leather. The UNC Nubuck, it feels soft to the touch, very, very smooth. It doesn't change color, but it's still smooth to the touch. These will be a problem, and there will be some resale. These will be reselling, in my opinion, for under $300 after release. This will be, in my opinion, the cheapest UNC Air Jordan that you can get that's released lately. This sneaker will be profitable, so you know demand is going to be very, very high. Jordan 6s are not amazing holds, so in my opinion, I'm not sure if these are really worth holding. If they go down to under $300, which I think they're going to do, I think that's the time to buy in, and then later on, they'll possibly go up to around $300 to $350. So there is potential with this sneaker. I just think it'll take a while, and it is a Jordan 6. Jordan 6s, if you guys look at the market, Travis's, Carmines, they're not doing great. So take that into consideration when you're holding on to the, UNC 6s. Overall, these are fire, man. They did a very good job, I think, on this release. They don't, however, in my opinion, look anything like the sample. These college PEs that they're bringing out to the general public, this has to be the one that does not look like the sample at all. By far. These, probably the 4s. I think the 3s, obviously, are spot on. The Oregon 5s are spot on. The Michigans are very close. I think these, by far, are so far off from the sample. It is what it is at the end of the day. This is still the UNC or University Blue Air Jordan 6. And on release day, these are going to sell out and be a problem. There's going to be a lot of hype and a lot of demand for the University Blue Air Jordan 6 because it's the UNC colorway. 1,000 likes on this video because I'm giving you guys an early look at some heat right here. Please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a bunch of hype sneakers on the way. And make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of patent leather bred Air Jordan 1s. Like this video, subscribe, and comment your size down below. The Air Jordan 6 University Blue is straight fire, and these are going to be a major problem. Let me know what you guys think about resale on the University Blue 6s. Do you think they're going to go up in price very quick? Do you think they're going to drop? Do you think they're going to stay stagnant for a while and then slowly climb their way up? I don't think they're really worth holding too much, but it's still a very nice Air Jordan 6 nonetheless with the UNC colorway. Very nice color blocking. This is a dope shoe. Definitely straight fire. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.